electric potential. At which position potential is zero? Somewhere potential is zero. Where it is?
Center.
No. At infinity potential is zero. मतलब सपोज ये चार्ज है. If I go on moving away, तो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन रिपल्शन एक स्टेज आएगा जीरो. तो इंफिनिटी पे पोटेंशियल बोलते हैं जीरो है. ये अपना रेफरेंस पॉइंट होता है हमेशा. नाउ इफ यू कम क्लोजर टू द चार्जेस तो पोटेंशियल बढ़ता रहेगा. इफ आई ब्रिंग पॉजिटिव चार्ज इन द फील्ड ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ये तो रिपेल करेगा. तो इंफिनिटी पे पोटेंशियल जीरो है. कोई तो एक पॉइंट पे it is doing work against this repulsive force is 2 joule, तो इसका potential is equivalent to 2 joule. B पे आ गया, it is suppose 4 joule, तो potential is increasing क्योंकि जैसे जैसे आगे आएगा इसका repulsive force बढ़ता रहेगा. So today we'll be doing maximum thing on potential and relation between intensity and potential. That means if I want potential to be understood or stored energy in my body to be understood, I have to do work against the repulsive force. So work done, the amount of work done to move unit positive charge from infinity to a point in an electric field is called as electric potential. Therefore, V equals to work upon charge. Its SI unit is joule upon coulomb or volts. It is a scalar quantity. Right. This completed.
Done, sir.
ये potential at a point हो गया. Now what is potential difference, that we'll see. Potential difference. Saswat, you have joined just now? Saswat?
Yes, sir.
What is the timing of lecture?
सर 10:30 सर. आई नो सर, थोड़ा लेट हो गया.
अब मुझे अभी भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा, सच में आप लोग को डॉक्टर बनना है कि पेरेंट्स ने जबरदस्ती किया है इसलिए पढ़ रहे हो? आपको कंपटीशन नहीं समझ में आता है? सबसे पहले डॉक्टर को पंक्चुअल होना है। लास्ट लेक्चर आप नहीं थे, कुछ तो आपने बोला था प्रॉब्लम नेटवर्क का इशू। आज लेट आए, थोड़ा सेल्फ डिटरमाइंड हो जाओ।
नहीं सर, लास्ट लेक्चर में था सर.
तो उसके पहले नहीं रहे होंगे ना जब मैंने आपको फोन किया था। तो बहुत लेवल का डेडिकेशन लगता है, इतना आसान नहीं होता लाइफ। अभी तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि आपको ट्रैवलिंग करना है, तो 100% आपके पास अवेलेबिलिटी है फ्री टाइमिंग का। थोड़ा टेक केयर, ऐसा इतना लाइटली लाइफ लोगे आप लोग। मेडिकल प्रोफेशन को सबसे ज्यादा तकलीफ हुआ ना इसमें लॉकडाउन में। तकलीफ मतलब दे डिड मैक्सिमम वर्क, जिसके लिए बहुत अप्रिसिएशन मिला। नोबडी कैन बीट दैट, सो दैट इज डेडिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड। अगर किस कोई टाइम का ही पंक्चुअल नहीं है और मेडिसिन फील्ड सिलेक्ट किया है ना, तो उसने रॉन्ग लाइन सिलेक्ट किया। सी, first I did what is potential. It is work done to move the charge from infinity to point in electric field. Now suppose from a point A, मतलब ये इंफिनिटी पे नहीं है, तो इंफिनिटी से इधर तक अगर मैंने चार्ज लाया होगा तो कुछ तो मुझे पोटेंशियल मिला। सपोज मैं बोलता हूँ VA। जैसे मैं और नजदीक गया B के तरफ, इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द पाथ, B के तरफ, नाउ पोटेंशियल हो गया VB। So actually I moved the charge from where to where? A to B ना? Hello? We have moved the charge from A to B. So work done to move the charge from A to B is nothing but potential difference between A to B. उल्टा हो गया, because when charge is positive and you are moving the positive charge, so that means whenever you are moving against the field, then potential will increase. So a VB minus VA is work done to move the charge from A to B. This is formula for potential. ध्यान से देखना, उल्टा आया है। Work done to move from A to B is potential between B minus A upon Q. So just write this formula potential difference का। शिफा, आप अभी जस्ट ज्वाइन किए? शिफा, शिफा, you joined just now? Shifa, you can hear me, Shifa? Shifa, you can hear? ठीक है, लेक्चर के बाद आपको फोन करता हूँ, घर वालों से जरूर बात करता हूँ। Yes, done?
Yes.
Okay. ये पॉइंट चार्जेस थे। पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज एट डिस्टेंस r, ये वर्क में था, अभी डिस्टेंस में निकालेंगे। पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्ज q at distance r. So consider point charge q and charge capital Q situated at distance x apart. See, potential means work. Work is force and displacement का product. And if force is not constant, we have to take integration. Work for energy में बार बार use होगा ये। So force between two charges situated at point A and B at a distance apart will be given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ upon distance square. Now clearly I can see this force is not constant because x will change. Hence it is variable force. So charge capital Q is given very small displacement dx. So very small work will be done. against the repulsive force. Therefore, it will be minus force into displacement. Therefore, dW will become minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ upon x square into dx. So total work done to move charge capital Q from infinity to distance r will be integration of dW moving from infinity to r. Please copy this much.
Done, sir.
So we get total work done is minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon x square dx moving from infinity to r, minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q constant bring outside, integration of dx upon x square from infinity to r, minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q x raised to minus 2 dx from infinity to r, that is minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ x raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 from infinity to r. Now this minus 1 you can cancel. QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon x from infinity to r. That means QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity. So it is equals to QQ upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r 1 upon infinity is 0. So work done upon capital Q will become Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r. So electric potential is nothing but 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q by r. So electric potential at a distance r from point charge Q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r. Copy fast. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Electric potential due to एक देखो अभी आएगा तो electric potential due to electric dipole. Electric potential due to electric dipole. Consider electric dipole consisting of equal and opposite charge minus q plus q separated by distance 2a. Let O be the center, therefore OA equals to OB will be equals to A. Let P be a point at a distance r from center O such that line joining OP makes angle theta with the axis. Join AP, join PB. Potential at P due to charge at A is given by VA equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. I can write also K in place of this into Q upon distance AP. And potential at B due to negative charge is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon minus Q into distance PB. So resultant potential comma V is VA plus VB because it is scalar quantity. Result is algebraic sum. That is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q. I can take common 1 upon AP minus 1 upon PB we can take in bracket. Now if I can get AP and PB, I can get my required result. To get AP, PB in terms of R, A and theta, because these are known quantities, there is small construction. Draw seg AM and BN perpendicular to OP. Therefore, we can say AP is approximately equal to PM. So AP will be equals to PM is OP minus OM. OP means R and OM is adjacent side because it is adjacent side of this triangle if you see. This is right angle triangle, here angle theta, this is A, we want what is OM. So theta ka baju wala side will be A cos theta. So we get AP as R minus A cos theta. Similarly, PB is approximately equal to PN. Therefore, PB is OP plus ON. So PB equals to OP is R and ON is also A cos theta. Just do till this. AP I got R minus A cos theta. PB I got R plus A cos theta. Draw the diagram and complete till this. So this problem coming on electric dipoles will be very simple because its formula difficult. So direct formula substitution ka numericals you can expect in the exam.
Done, sir.
Okay. I'm just clearing this diagram then. Everything. Everybody is done? Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Now potential V is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q common 1 upon AP r minus a cos theta 1 upon PB r plus a cos theta. So we get Vs 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q r plus a cos theta minus of r minus minus plus a cos theta upon, when you multiply this two, it is a square r square minus a square cos square theta minus r plus r cancel. So v equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q 2a cos theta upon r square minus a square cos square theta. Since r or you can say a is very small than r, therefore we can neglect a square cos square theta. So v becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q, इतना लिख लो फिर इसको क्लियर करके फिर clear, done, Ansi?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So a is very small than r, a square cos square theta we can neglect. So v will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q 2a cos theta upon r square. But 2a into q is denoted as P, called as electric dipole moment. Therefore, V becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta upon R square. This is expression for electric potential at any point due to electric dipole. Case 1. Point lies on axis. If point lies on axis, can you tell what is theta? Axis means line joining negative charge and positive. 0. Very good. Superb. Theta is 0. So what will be cos theta? Can I say cos 0 and cos 0 is 1?
1.
So what will be potential now at any point on the axis?
1
By
upon
4
4
pi
pi
epsilon naught upon
naught P
P by
upon
R
Correct,
square.
R
correct,
square.
correct. Now P line, point line on the axis can be on the right side or it can be left. So theta 0 or 180 दोनों का chance है, ठीक है? So cos theta will be cos 0 which is 1, or cos theta equals to cos of 180 equal to minus 1. So I can generalize V axis will be plus or minus because cos theta 1 या minus 1 है into 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square. So when it is on the right side plus, left side minus. Case 2. ओके फिर स्पेस नहीं है, चलो इतना करो फिर केस 2 समझाता हूँ. So we got electric potential, we got potential difference, we are getting potential at any point due to electric dipole, then axis equator. Case 2, point lies on equator. In this case, what will be theta if point is on equator?
90 or
90.
270.
Or 270, absolutely correct. So what will be cos theta? Can I say it will be 0 only? Hello? Cos
Yes.
theta.
Yes, sir.
So V at any point is given. So I can say V equator will be mu naught P upon cos theta will become 0. So 0 into anything is 0 only. So V at any point on the equator of electric dipole will become 0. So therefore, V equator will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square cos theta 0. So V equator equals to 0. And V axis is plus minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon P upon R square. Right side plus, left side minus. Now copy case 2.
Sir, done, sir.
Done, sir.
Now potential energy due to system of two charges. Two charges. Capacity to do work is also called energy. So if we bring a single charge Q2 in the field of charge Q1, then due to this opposing force, we have to do work, and that work done is called as potential energy of the system. If we take for unit charge, then it is called potential. So I can say V due to charge Q1 is work done to move the charge Q2. So work done is potential due to first charge into Q2, which is moving charge. That means potential energy is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R into moving charge Q2. So potential energy of 2-point charge system is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. where R is distance between first charge and second charge. This is formula for potential energy. Right, then I'm doing for 3 charge, 4 charge, maximum 4 charge they can ask anything.
Sir, done.
Potential energy due to system of 3 charges. So this is one charge, suppose Q1. Here there is another charge Q2. Somewhere there is Q3. This distance I am writing R12. This distance R23, and this distance as R1. So potential energy of this configuration will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. See, first it is Q1, Q2, then it will be due to Q1, Q3. That means I started with first charge, first with second, first with third. Second with first already ho gaya, second with third ho gaya. Then next 3 with 1 done, 3 with 2 done. So total there will be 3 terms. Q2, Q3 last term. Upon distance between 1, 2, distance between 1, 3, distance between 2, 3. This is potential energy of the configuration of 3 charges. Write the next formula. Done.
Yes, sir.
Potential energy due to system of 4 charges. Maximum it will be 4 charges. So suppose some charge Q1, somewhere Q2, Q3, Q4 are situated. We want potential between the system of 4 charges. Distance between 1 and 2 R12, R13, then 2 and 3 distance will be 2 and 3. This will be 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 3 and 4, and distance between 1 and 4 is R14, and so on. So first charge का combo with second, first with third, first with fourth, ये 3 term हो जाएगा. Then when you start with second, second one तो हो गया, second third, second fourth, 5 term हो गया. Then when we start with third, 3 2 हो गया, ये 3 2 है, that is done. 3 1 is done, 3 2 is done, 3 4. फोर्थ से स्टार्ट करो तो 4 1 है, 4 2 है, 4 3 है. So total we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 term. So potential energy of this configuration is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q12 upon distance between them, Q13 upon distance between them, Q14 upon distance between them, Q2 1 over q3 upon distance between them, q4 upon distance between 3 4. So total 1 2 3 4 5. One was left out. 1 2 1 3 1 4. 2 3 2 4. 2 4 is left out. So q24 2 4, and last one will be q3 q4 upon distance between 3 4. So this is formula for potential energy between four charges. Any doubt in understanding how to remember? फर्स्ट चार्ज
No,
से
sir.
स्टार्ट किया, फर्स्ट सेकंड, फर्स्ट थर्ड, फर्स्ट फोर्थ, एक कॉम्बिनेशन खत्म. देन स्टार्ट विद सेकंड चार्ज, सेकंड वन हो गया तो 2 3 2 4 ये भी खत्म. फिर 3 से स्टार्ट करो, 3 4, ऐसे चार टर्म आ गए. राइट दिस मच. Shall I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
See. There is a ring having charge plus q, its radius is r. Another ring having charge minus q, radius is again r. There is one charge small q placed at the center of second ring. Separation between the two ring is r. Find amount of work done in moving charge q from center of first from center of second ring to first ring. Options are root 2 kq cap, q upon r. K is nothing but 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. B option 2 kq upon root 2r. C is kq small q into 2 minus root 2 upon capital R, and fourth option K Q Q 2 plus root 2 upon capital R. Write the question, very important one. Difficult है, आपको डाउट रहेगा ही, इसलिए मैंने पहला यही सिलेक्ट किया. Question write down. We want to find work done to move the charge from second का center to the first का center. Once you are done writing, then tell me, then I will explain the steps. Yes, drawn the diagram and written the options properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we want to find work done to move the charge small q from second to first. So I gave you the formula for work done to move the charge from one point to another point. That will be potential difference between 2 points. But we should go ulta. That means if you are going from 2 to 1, then potential difference between 1 to 2 you have to take. So work done to move the charge from second का center to the first is potential difference between 1 and 2, v1 minus v2 upon, ये moving charge होता है हमेशा. So that means it is v1 minus v2 into q. So if I can get v1 v2, then I will substitute and get work done to move from 2 to 1. So first finding potential due to first charge. अभी दो चार्ज है, देखो पोटेंशियल एट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस इस खुद के वजह से ही मिलेगा, और ये चार्ज जो ये डिस्टेंस पे उसका वजह से ही मिलने वाला है. करेक्ट ना? तो एक तो ये क्यू है, कैपिटल क्यू ले रहा, और ये माइनस क्यू. इसका सेंटर पे पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू ये क्यू, फिर ये ड्यू टू नेबरिंग क्यू भी मिलेगा बिकॉज टू चार्जेस आर देयर. सो कैन आई से पोटेंशियल विल बी के क्यू आर ड्यू टू फर्स्ट चार्ज प्लस के माइनस क्यू अपॉन दिस डिस्टेंस. कितना ये डिस्टेंस? हेलो, व्हाट इज दिस डिस्टेंस?
Root 2R.
Root 2r, correct? Root 2r. So v1 will become kq by r minus kq by root 2r. v1 we got. Similarly, can you tell v2? इसका खुद का चार्ज तो निगेटिव है, सो k माइनस क्यू अपॉन r. करेक्ट ना? सेंटर 2 पे. फिर दूसरा वाला चार्ज k प्लस क्यू रूट 2 r. ओके, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So we got v2 as minus kqr plus kq upon root 2r. So मेरे पास v1 v2 दोनों है. I will substitute and get required answer. First solve this much. Get v1 v2. Yes, written. So kq by r minus kq by root 2r minus of minus will become plus kq by r minus kq by root 2r. So this becomes 2 times kq by r minus of 2 times kq upon root 2r. Everybody is followed till this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just two more lines to get the conclusive result. This is nothing but k q by r 2 minus root 2, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Therefore, work done to move the charge from 2 to 1 is k q upon r 2 minus root 2 into small q. Check करो ये option है किधर? K q small q into 2 minus. Which option is it? C?
Yes, yes.
This is our required answer. C. So yeah. कौन सा कैपिटल? एक काम करिए, नहीं वो उधर वो लाइन पे एक तो ब्लैंक डाल दो और लिख दो नेवर फॉरगेट. Yes, done. Shall we go to the next sum?
Yes, sir.
देखो मैं ऐसा इसमें डिफिकल्ट सम कराता हूँ, जो मैं खाली ऐसा क्वेश्चन लिख के देता हूँ, so that if you have doubt, that your concept will become stronger. And PDF which I have given, that will solve after completing all. I have told 1 to 10 you have to do. Have you done 1 to 10 from that sheet? PDF sheet, have you done 1 to 10 if you got time?
Yes, sir.
Please complete till 30. 1 to 30 if you get the time. This Wednesday we have doubt solving session, correct? Every Wednesday, doubt solving.
Yes.
Every Wednesday we have na. Monday, Wednesday, Friday you are having doubt solving. This Wednesday nobody asked for doubt. See, this is not compulsory. If you don't have any doubt, chalega. बट आई डू फील कि कुछ तो डाउट रहता ही है एंट्रेंस में, कुछ नहीं तो एक सम कुछ ना कुछ डाउट रहेगा. So if Wednesday is becoming overburden to you, I will shift it to Thursday. But please make sure that we keep one doubt solving session for entire week work. So 1 to 30 you have to complete. Thursday I will keep doubt solving session after evening 9 o'clock. In that you have to ask me if there is any doubt from 1 to 30 from the sheet. Chalo, we next sum karta hu. Question is like this. If charge Q is uniformly distributed on rod of length capital L, find potential at O at distance L from rod. So this is the diagram. This is the rod of length L at distance O, at point O at distance L from the nearer end of the rod. We have to find what is potential if charge is distributed on this rod. Options are Q upon 8 pi epsilon naught L, then 3Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught L, Q into log of 2 to the base E upon 4 pi epsilon naught L, or Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught L log of 2 to the base E. Write the question properly. So this is not point charge, it's distributed charge. I'm clearing the diagram and the options. Everybody has written. Please tell if you have done. Can I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is, had it been point charge at distance r, I could have written potential 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r. But this is distributed charge. So we can assume elemental charge dq at a distance of x from point at a distance x from O. So if we take, let dq be elemental charge at distance x from O, then due to this elemental charge will get very small voltage dV, that will become k matlab 1 upon 4 pi epsilon into charge dq upon distance x square. So total potential due to entire charges will be integration of dV. This is nothing but k dq upon x integration from nearest end is L and far end is 2L. But dq is variable. This is x variable, so I'm converting. Let lambda, that means charge per unit length, be dq upon dx. So dq is lambda into dx. Therefore, v will become k lambda dx upon x from L to 2L. That is k lambda dx by x from L to 2L. Integration of 1 upon x is log of x from L to 2L. ये फॉर्मूला थोड़ा पता रहना चाहिए आपको. Integration of 1 upon x is log of x. So k lambda log of 2L minus log of L. That is k lambda. What is log a minus log b? Is it log a upon log b?
Yes, sir.
So log a upon b base कुछ नहीं मतलब e है. L L cancel. So we'll get k lambda log 2 to the base e. Now k means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Lambda is total charge upon length. Log 2 to the base e. कौन सा ऑप्शन हुआ ये? C. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था, बट एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट समझ गया कि हमारे पास फॉर्मूला सिर्फ पॉइंट चार्ज का है, तो x के डिस्टेंस पे पॉइंट चार्ज निकाल के इंटीग्रेट कर दो फ्रॉम नियरर टू फार्दर एंड और लो टू हाई एंड. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next heading. Relation between electric potential and electric field. Again, important topic. Relation between electric potential and electric field. Suppose Q is a charge, then at a distance R, what will be electric field? Directed outward or inward? This will be direction of electric field, directed outward because charge we have taken positive, and its value is K charge Q upon R square, correct? Which is vector quantity. That means having direction from positive charge outward, negative charge inward. And electric potential is kq upon r, which is scalar quantity. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
तो ये दोनों फॉर्मूला समझ गए आपको? Any doubt in this?
No, No, sir.
So can we say therefore E is equals to E is Q by R square into R कर दो तो ये मिल जाएगा ना. So we can say A is B upon R. So if only distance given, directly you can see E is V by R. If I start moving in the direction of field, तो potential कम होगा क्या ज्यादा होगा? मतलब मेरा बोलने का ये है मतलब, this is charge Q at distance 1 meter from Q, at distance 2 meter from Q, at distance 3 meter. ये field तो direct outward है. That means we are in the direction of field. Potential will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Potential will decrease in the direction of field. हाँ. Potential will decrease in the direction of field. Will decrease in the direction of field. Potential at first point will be kq by 1, आगे चल के kq by 2, then kq by 3. मतलब कम कम हो रहा है ना, because denominator is increasing, so that means it is decreasing order. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we are getting idea, if field is uniform and you are traveling in the direction of field, then potential is decreasing. Just write this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. See, there are two types of field. One is called uniform field, other is called non-uniform field. So first we are obtaining relation if field is uniform. Case 1, when E is uniform. Uniform means it is constant, not changing. That is constant. So suppose this is field. Going from left to right. Uniform field E. Here we have placed charge Q. Somewhere in the field we are having charge Q. Now see, field is always from positive to negative, correct? Electric field is from where? Positive to negative, na?
Yes.
So this will be acted upon by force QE towards the direction of field, क्योंकि उधर negative रहेगा, इसको खींचेगा, correct? Hello?
Yes.
So if I want that this should remain stationary, so we have to apply some external work, external force.
Yes.
Against this force, if you are moving the body, that is this charge from one point to another point 2, by distance dr, then work is done. So can I say work done by external force, because external force so ulta hai, will be potential difference between point 2 and 1. I'm moving from 1 to 2, the potential difference will be from 2 to 1 upon q.
Sir,
Huh?
if the charge is moving from 1 to 2, then the work is done by the electric field, na?
No, work is, we are trying to prevent it, na? There is no acceleration, suppose. The work is done by electric field, correct. But if there is no acceleration, then work will be done by outside force. Then
Okay.
only net force will be 0. If, I'm writing here, if there is no acceleration, क्योंकि constant move कराना है ना. If there is no acceleration means there is no change in kinetic energy. तब सब work potential होता है ना. Hello?
Yes.
If there is no change in kinetic energy, that means only position is changing. So work done will be our potential energy. So I can say F external is acting opposite to Q into E. बराबर ना? हेलो?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तो ऐसा खींच रहा है, तो एक्सटर्नली जो वर्क हो रहा है वो ऑपोजिट टू दिस. सो वर्क डन एक्सटर्नली फ्रॉम 1 to 2 is equals to force external into displacement. Force external is minus QE, because इसका उल्टा ये, into distance delta r, suppose we move. E is vector quantity, r is vector quantity. Now 1 to 2 का मतलब is nothing but potential upon charge. Okay, please copy till this, then one more line I'm writing so that you get idea. Work is a scalar quantity, इसलिए dot product हो जाएगा.
ये क्रॉस की जगह डॉट आ गया ना?
डॉट लिखा है ना, ये पहले तो खाली मैग्नीट्यूड लिखा है. ये डॉट ही है ना, ये क्या है?
हाँ, yes sir.
तो V2 minus V1 upon Q is work done to move from 1 to 2 will be equals to minus Q E bar dot delta और dr वन एंड द सेम, जिससे ज्यादा हम लोग फेमिलियर है, अपॉन Q, ये Q वर्क डन, एक सेकेंड, वर्क एक्सटर्नल, आई एम डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय Q, ये Q कैंसिल हो गया. सो वर्क एक्सटर्नल अपॉन Q इज नथिंग बट पोटेंशियल. चलो एक मिनट पहले पूरा रब करता हूँ, फिर से आपको समझाता हूँ. This is nothing but V2 minus V1 into Q equals to minus QE bar into distance dr upon distance into distance dr. तो ये cancel हो गया. That means potential difference is minus E bar dot dr bar. That means potential difference between 2 points is always minus E bar dot dr bar. dr delta एक ही चीज है, अगर डेल्टा डेल्टा लिख रहे तो हर जगह पे डेल्टा लिखो, नहीं तो डी. सो आई कैन से देयरफॉर दिस इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का एक और फॉर्मूला आया, माइनस ऑफ ई बार डॉट डेल्टा बार. सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ डेल्टा वी will be magnitude of E bar dot delta E bar. So always I will start the problem with magnitude and check whether we are going from in the direction of field or opposite. Agar in the direction, potential decrease, opposite, potential will increase. Just copy this formula, then I am doing 3-4 sums. You will get the idea. Potential difference का change is equals to E bar dot dr bar का magnitude. हो गया? रब कर दो.
Yes, sir.
One question based on this concept. Between the two plates, one side A is having potential of 20. A and B, A is at potential of plus 20. This is field moving. Field is 10 Newton per Coulomb. We are interested in what is potential at options are 20 volt, 0 volt, and this distance between plate is given 2 meter. 0 volt, 40 volt, 100 volt. Now delta between two plates का magnitude is E into distance का magnitude. E is 10 into 2, that is 20. But we are going from A to B. Field is always directed from positive to negative. So किसका potential ज़्यादा है? A का क्या B का?
A का.
A का potential ज़्यादा. So can I say that is VA minus VB is 20 हो गया. So ये 20 minus VB 20 हो जाएगा. Minus VB is 20 minus 20 मतलब 0. यानी कि VB क्या है? Understood? हेलो?
Yes.
देखो, हमेशा पहला चेंज का फॉर्मूला निकालना E और D में, फिर चेंजेस ऑलवेज लार्जर माइनस स्मॉलर कर देना आप. लार्जर इज ये A बिकॉज पॉजिटिव से निगेटिव जाता है फील्ड. Shall I clear this? Hello, can I clear this? Next question. This is field of intensity 20 volt per meter. So between point A and B, these are 4 points C and D. Its distance is 2 meter. So ABCD is a forming square of distance 2 meter side. We want what is VB minus VA. We want VA minus VD. We want VD minus VC. And fourth, we want VC minus VA. VB minus VA. So magnitude of change in voltage, we know E into distance dr between 2 points. E is 20 and distance between A and B is 2. So it becomes 40. Put off the video. 40. Then since we are going A to B, A का potential ज़्यादा, so VA minus VB will be 40. Distance 1 ले लेना, sorry 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1, 20. So VA minus VB is 20. We want VB minus VA. So this will become minus VA plus VB equals to minus of 20. Therefore, VB minus VA is minus 20. First answer we got VB minus VA is minus 20. See, change between A and B is E into distance. E is 20, distance is 120. But A is behind and B is in the direction of field. So VA bada, larger minus smaller is 20. But we want VB minus, so I did minus both sides throughout, so we got minus 20. Yes, first part clear? VB minus VA, how we got minus 20? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
एक सेकेंड रुको, ये VA minus VD भी देख लो आप. VA minus VD का magnitude wise change is E into distance between them. E is 20 and what is distance between A and D? Also 1? Hello?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन ये एक्चुअली E बार डॉट DR बार होता है. तो इधर तो एंगल आ गया cos 0, इसलिए 1 आया, परफेक्ट आंसर आ गया. बट हियर व्हाट इज एंगल बिटवीन E एंड DR? E is on the left right side, AD का डिस्टेंस इज वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड. सो कैन आई से इट इज cos 90, दोनों के बीच का एंगल.
Yes.
Cos 90 means 0. Hello?
Yes. Sir.
So VA minus VD is 0. Also you can see एक ही जगह पे है ये पॉइंट. जब एक ही डिस्टेंस पे होता है ना ऐसे, तो चार्ज किधर से तो है, जहां से पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. सो इट बिकम्स, इसको बोलते हैं इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस, बिकॉज कहीं तो चार्ज होगा जहां से फील्ड आया. तो ये सब डिस्टेंस सेम है, ये सब. तो वी से इट इज इक्विपोटेंशियल पॉइंट. सो व्हेनेवर इट इज परपेंडिकुलर के ऊपर पॉइंट है, then in the field it becomes equipotential point, and by our formula also we are getting 0. VB minus VA we got minus 20, VA minus VD we got 0. Do this, then I am doing VD minus VC. थर्ड पार्ट, अगेन डेल्टा V का मैग्नीट्यूड is E bar dot dr bar, that is nothing but E dr. D and C का बीच में direction of that R and C will be same, so it will become cos 0. E is 20 into distance is 1, तो ये आ गया 20. Now D is greater, so VD minus VC is 20 is the required answer. Then for this delta V is E bar dot dr bar. What is angle between E and AC? Can you tell me from the figure? Figure I have rubbed in your book if it is there. What is angle between E and distance between A and C? That is dr bar. Can anybody see that angle?
सर 0 है ना?
नहीं, ध्यान से देखो डायग्राम, अपना बुक का निकालो डायग्राम. AC और E बार के बीच का एंगल क्या होएगा? 0 कैसे होगा? देखो A और C, नहीं नहीं, A और C कैसे है?
45
45 है ना, 45 होगा.
हाँ हाँ.
ABCD is the square, तो AC डायगोनल है ना, तो 45 हो गया ना, बराबर.
यस सर.
तो मेरा E बार डॉट dr बार वो होगा E इंटू dr इंटू कॉस ऑफ 45. ओके, तो ये हो गया E dr cos 45. E is 20, dr मतलब distance of the diagonal. Distance of diagonal, is it √2 into side?
Yes.
Yes sir.
So AC distance,
Yes yes.
हाँ, फिर कितना होगा वो AC डिस्टेंस? A to C डिस्टेंस
√2 ही होगा ना. 1 मीटर है. 1 मीटर साइड है तो √2 होगा.
√2
1 into
बराबर,
√2.
1 into √2. So E into distance into cos 45. E into dr into cos 45. एक मिनट है, चलने का. Cos 45 means 1 upon √2. What is cos 45? 1 upon √2. Hello?
Yes.
So when you are moving A to B, we are assuming, देखो अभी क्या मिस्टेक हो गया इधर, यहाँ पे 1 upon √2 मत लेना. dr मतलब ये स्मॉल चेंज इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फील्ड होता है. फिर अगर आप ऐसे जा रहे तो आप कंपोनेंट लेते हो, तो ये dr मुझे 1 ही लिखना है. बी केयरफुल. देखो ये dr मतलब E का डायरेक्शन में मैक्सिमम वो 1 ही है. बिकॉज आप A to C जा रहे तभी ये कॉस आ गया ना. डॉट प्रोडक्ट में कॉस कभी होता है जब ये F का डायरेक्शन में नहीं, ये S है, ये डायरेक्शन में मूव करके आपने डिस्प्लेसमेंट इधर लिया, तभी तो आता है ना ये कंपोनेंट. तो whenever you are taking dot product, dr you have to take in the direction of field, which is 1 from start to end. This is the only chance of mistake possible. So if I rationalize, I will get 20 √2 upon 2. That means it will become 10 √2. Now A बड़ा क्या C बड़ा? ये A बड़ा है क्या C बड़ा है वोल्टेज? पीछे वाले का वोल्टेज ज्यादा होता है ना इन द फील्ड.
सर ये पहले वाला समझा नहीं.
ये dr मतलब क्या? डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड.
Yes.
तो इसका फील्ड इधर था, तो इसका कंपोनेंट इधर ले रहे, तो खाली ये 1 into 1 by √2. मतलब ये नहीं है आपका फील्ड A to C, आपको मूव करना इधर से ही है, इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड, बट बिकॉज फील्ड का डायरेक्शन में नहीं आया तो ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमने यहाँ ले लिया ना,
Yes.
तो डायरेक्ट लिखना है आपको 20 इंटू डी आर कॉस 45 विच इज 1 अपॉन रूट 2 इंटू 1। तो डी आर हमेशा 1 ही है इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड स्टार्टिंग टू एंडिंग, लेकिन अगर फील्ड के डायरेक्शन में नहीं है तो कॉस थीटा आया ऐसे। ओके,
हाँ तो 20/√2 ना।
रेशनलाइज करोगे तो क्या आएगा, इंटू रूट टू ना। रेशनलाइज क्या होता है, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय सेम रूट।
हाँ
तो ये 20 इंटू रूट टू क्या है, 2 हुआ ना,
हाँ
2 इंटू 10 कैंसिल होके 10√2 हुआ क्या नहीं।
yes
तो VA और VC के बीच का डिफरेंस है 10√2। अब VA बड़ा क्या VC बड़ा,
VA
VA बिकॉज व्हेन यू मूव इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड पोटेंशियल गिर जाता है, तो VA बड़ा है। तो वी वांट एक्चुअली VC माइनस VA, पर हमको मिल गया VA माइनस VC 10√2। So minus VA plus VC will become minus 10√2. Therefore VC minus VA इंटरचेंज किया minus 10√2. This is the answer. So 4 का 4 मैंने पॉइंट किया between straight line, perpendicular, inclined. For all distance must be taken same 1. खाली depending upon direction between E and R, theta will keep on changing. Can I clear this now? Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.